A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are fit and fine. Children, today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 9, Introduction to QBASIC. In this chapter, we will learn about machine language, assembly language, starting QBASIC, components of QBASIC window, create, open, save, execute, print and exit a program, consonant and variable, QBASIC statement, arithmetic, relative and logical operators, and conditional statement. Let us start today's class. Before I explain what is a machine language, first of all, we know what is a computer language. So, language is a medium of communication. If you want to convey your thoughts to your friends, then you need a language, right? It is very difficult to share your ideas with a person who does not know the language that you know. So, language is a essential requirement to communicate among the people, right? Language is a medium through people communicate with each other. In the same way, to communicate computer, we need a language. But computer does not understand natural languages that we speak. So, language is required that both the computer and the user understand, right? Computer does not understand the language which we speak. So a specific language are required to communicate with the computer, right? So we can say that the language in which user communicate with the computer is known as computer language, right? Language through which user communicate with the computer is known as computer language, right? You also know that computer works according to the instruction given by us. So we need a language to communicate with the computer, right? Computer language are used to give instruction to the computer, right? So the definition of the computer language is the language through which user give instruction to the computer to perform any task is known as computer language, right? A language through which user can give instruction to the computer to perform any task is known as computer language. Computer language are broadly classified under two categories. First is low level language and second is high level language. Low level language is further divided in two categories: machine language and assembly. Let's see one by one. Machine language. You know that a computer can understand only special signals which are represented by ones and zero. These two digits are called binary digits. 0 and 1 is called binary digits. Computer understand program written in binary digit So the language which use binary digit is called the machine level language, right? We can define machine language is a machine language is the language in which instructions are given in the form of 0 and 1, right? Machine language is the language in which instructions are given in the form of 0 and 1. Or you can also say that the language in which the language which is used 0 and 1 is known as machine language, right? It is directly understood by the system. Means program written in machine language does not require any translator. It is directly understood by the system. It is a machine dependent language. Machine language is a machine dependent language. Means a program written for one computer may not work on another computer, right? Program which is written for one computer only run on that computer, right? So what is the machine language? I repeat once again: a language in which instructions are given in the form of 0 and 1. It is directly understood by the system. Means the program which is written in machine language does not require any translator or any converter to convert in the machine language. It is a machine dependent language. Means program written for one computer can only run on a particular computer, not run on another computer. I hope you understand. Next is assembly language. An assembly language is the language in which instructions are given in the form of short words called mnemonic, right? Assembly language is the language in which instructions are given in the form of abbreviated word called mnemonic. In this language, programmer use short form to give instruction. For example, LD is used for loading program. MOV is used for moving data. ADD is used for adding data, right? These are LD, MOV. Add is the mnemonic, right? So assembly language is a language in which instructions are given in the form of abbreviated word called mnemonic. It takes less time in coding instruction. Means it is easier to write programs in an assembly language as compared to the machine language, right? To write program in assembly language is easier in comparison of machine language, right? Assembler is required to translate assembly language program into machine language. Means the program which is written in assembly language is need to translate into machine language because computer understand only machine language, and we use assembler to translate assembly language program into machine language, right? So assembler is a software through which we can translate assembly language program into the machine level language, right? I hope you understand. Next topic is high level language. What is high level language? High level language is the language in which programs are written using English like words and mathematical symbols, right? A high level language program is use English like words and mathematical symbols to write a program. Programmers do not need complete knowledge of hardware details to write a program in the high level language. It is very easy for programmers to learn and use high level language. Right? High level language is the language in which programmers use English like words and mathematical symbols to write a program. And it is very easy to write a program in high level language. For example, BASIC, Fortran, Pascal, C, C++, Java, Python, Visual Basic, PHP, etc. are the example of high level language. Right? High level language is a machine independent language. Means program written for one computer may work on another computer. Right? Programs written for one computer may run to other computers. Compiler and interpreters are required to translate high-level language program into machine language. Right? Program which is written in high-level language need to translate into machine language. Why? I have already told you that computer understand only 0 and 1, and so we need and a program written in high-level language is used English like words. So compiler and interpreters are used to translate high-level language program into machine level language. Right? Compiler and interpreters are softwares which is used to translate high-level language into machine level language. I hope you understand. Next topic is Introduction to QBASIC. The full form of BASIC is Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Right? BASIC stands for Beginner's All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It was developed by John George Imney and Thomas Eugene Kurtz. BASIC is one of the simplest high-level language for the beginners and is a very user-friendly. Right? BASIC is the simplest high-level language for beginners and it is a very easy program. Very easy to learn programming. GWBasic and QBasic are more popular version of BASIC. GWBasic stands for Graphic and Windows Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. QBasic stands for Quick Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. So, in this chapter, we will use QB64 to write program in QBasic. Right? We will use QBasic 64 as the compiler for the QBasic program. So when you open QB64, so this screen will be open. This one. Let us discuss about the various components of the QB64 window. This is a menu bar. The menu bar has menu such as File, Edit, View, Search, Run, and Options. The menu contains commands which help in creating and executing a QBasic program. We execute a QBasic program to see the output or result of the program. Right? Menu bar contains commands which help in creating and executing a QBasic program. This is a work area in which we will type the instruction or program. This is a status bar. This section display OK if the statement type in the work area are correct. Otherwise, it shows an error message. If the program which you are written in work area is that program is OK, then OK will display in status section. Or if in the program, if any mistake is there, if any error is there, then it display the if it display the error, right? This is the name of the program. The name of the program is displayed just below the menu bar. It shows the name Untitled for any program that has not been saved. By default, the program name is Untitled. So how we create a new program? Let's see. Open QB64. To create a new program, follow the step. Click on the File menu, then click on the New Options. When you click on the New Options, a new program will be open with name Untitled. When you click New Options, a new program will be open, and the name of the new program is Untitled. You can see here Untitled. Okay. Saving a program. How you save a program? To save a program in a file, we click on the File options, File menu, then click on the Save option. Save as dialog box will be open. Type program name along with the extension. The extension of QBASIC is .bac, and after typing the name, click OK option. Right? I repeat once again. To save a program, click on the File menu, click on the Save. Save as dialog box will be open. Type the program name and click OK option. Right? To open a program. How we open an existing program? Click on the File menu and click Open option. Select your file, select your program, then click on OK button. Right? I repeat once again. To open a program, click on the File, click on the Open option, choose the file, and click OK option. Okay. Now, executing a program. A program must be executed to see the output. After typing the code, you want to show what is the output. Then we should run that program. Right? For this, to run a program, we can click to run a program. We have two options. The first method is click on the Run option, run menu, then click on the Start option, or you can press F5 from the keyboard. Right? To run a program, click on the to execute a program, click on the Run menu, then click on the Start options, or you can press F5. Here, creating.exe file. Look here. If program is okay, right, then OK message will display here, and this is the output screen. We can go back to the work area by pressing any key. Right? This is a screen key, and this is the output screen. You can go back to the work area by pressing any key. I repeat once again how you execute a program. Click a Run option, Run menu, and click on Start options, or you can press F5 from the keyboard. Right? This is the output. To exit QB64, how you exit? Click on the File and click on the Exit option. Right? To exit a file, click on the File and click on Exit option. Your program is not saved. Save it now? No. If you want to save the program, then click on the Save options. Otherwise, no option. right? So in this way we have completed 3 topics. I hope you understand. Watch the video carefully. Okay, bye.